What's up, guys? I'm gay.
Bruh.
Just kidding. Ollie the Nug with the Grave Shift here. Today we're gonna explain all of the tournament kits, starting from pre-volume 1 all the way up until what's out currently, volume 3. We're in July right now. Every month we get a new volume kit, and I like to call them sets. Every month we get a new tournament set. Today we're gonna go over the contents, that being prizing and participation prize. Well, not prizing, but what you get for participating in the events. We're gonna check out all the winner cards today. All right, guys, we have everything organized. Up in the middle is gonna be your winner prizing, what you get for placing top 4. First place gets first choice at one of these winner cards, then second place, and so on and so forth. Depending on what shop you're at and your community in Union Arena, you may or may not have judges. I'm gonna assume that you guys don't have official judges.
Emotional
These judge
damage.
cards are gonna be raffled off or given as prizing. Here we have our participation stuff. You get the chance of pulling a non-hollow or a hollow variety of your participation packs. Here's the examples from this set.
Stop the cap.
Here we have our volume 1 kits that were given to us in April. Here, we have the winner lineup. What's weird and different from this set from the last is we only had 3 winner cards to pick from this set. Don't know, I'm not too sure why they did that. But if you place top 4, you got to pick one out of these. Here's our judge cards. Well, some of the judge cards that you are able to pull from this set. In our bio, we'll have links to every single card that you're able to pull out of the kits. This is just some of the stuff that we were able to win and pull ourselves. Here's our June tournament kit. Again, we're down to 3 winner cards. If you place top 4, you can pick one from these 3 winner cards. As you can see, we only have 3 judge cards for this kit. Union Arena, slowly but surely, our community is growing, and I love that. I hope that's the same situation for you guys watching. But every month, these tournaments, they keep getting harder and harder, so you'll notice the prizing just keeps getting less and less. But that's good. We love that. In the middle, winner cards, judge cards. Here's our participation cards. You have the chance to pull a non-foil Byakuya, foil Byakuya, Sinon, and Asta. We do not have the participation packs with us here to shoot the video, but the participation packs are going to be the same as your action points. Up to this volume and forward, they started recycling the art from the action points to the participation packs. I'm not a fan of that. You guys can let us know what you think about that in the comments. Alright guys, this is our current set that we're at, that being July. These are the winner cards for this tournament kit. They're back up to 4 if you notice, and each tournament kit, the winner cards just keep getting better and better in my opinion.
Stop the cap.
Here is our participation pack. We were actually able to score 1. Thank you, Tier 1, shout out. Here's a judge pack that we were also able to score, shout out. Here's one of the judge cards that you're able to pull from this set. Again, these tournaments are getting more and more brutal, so we only have 1 to showcase here. Here's our participation action points. We have the Hollow Armin, the Hollow Panda. I'm not sure what character this is, but I'm told she's from Code Geass, and I have not seen that anime yet. Let me know where she's from in the comments and her character name. We got Edward, and here's our full participation pack. Alright guys, we saved a little treat for you guys at the end of the video. Here we're gonna rip these 2 packs and see if we can pull any hollows or foils. Let's get into our action point pack first and save the judge pack for last. Oh my goodness, we actually were able to get a hit. We have not seen this in person yet. That's crazy good. We're gonna put that right there next to the other Edward. We're gonna get into our judge pack. Hopefully we don't double up on Riza, but if we do, that's going in a deck. So, oh, looks like we got a green. What is it? Oh, that's looking like a Code Geass character. If you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to leave a comment down in the comments.
Bruh.
Down in the bio, we're gonna leave links to every volume tournament kit and the contents. We're gonna leave links to everything that we just went over. That way you guys can check it out for yourselves and stay updated on what's to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Ollie from the Grave Ship.